Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info. In today's video, I'll show you the now brief on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So, a now brief is almost a new function that shows everything on your lock screen, like the weather, calendar, and also reminders. So, as you guys can see, we are gonna go into the lock screen. So as you guys can see, I do not have the now brief right here, and I'll show you guys how to easily get it. So first we need to have something to, let's say, remind us. Now let's hold the power button and talk to Gemini. Let's set a meeting for, let's say, 1 p.m. So now set a reminder for a meeting at 1 p.m. And as you guys can see, now we've got our meeting right here at 1 p.m. And now what we can do is we can lock the screen, and here we will have the now brief. So basically something has to happen in the phone, and now after we got it, what we can do is we can click it. Here we will see the meetings, everything like our reminders and calendars. And here we will have the weather for our city. Also here we've got the recommended playlist we might enjoy today. And here we can check out the videos. So as you guys can see, here's HardReset.Info and HardReset.Info. So also we can use the voice here. And this is basically how it works. Now we can close it. And whenever we try and go back, it just won't be there. So now here we also have it. And when we open up the sidebar and click the now brief, we will also have it. So there are multiple ways to get in. And that's basically how the now brief works. I hope this video was helpful. If it wasn't, leave a like, sub, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.